Hey everybody, welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be going over the scene editor. So built into the heart of AppGameKit Studio is the scene editor. This specialized tool is designed to help with your UI design when you're creating your apps. Instead of having to guess the coordinate positions of screen assets like sprites and text, you can position them into place and see exactly where they will appear. So how do you bring up the scene editor, or how do you create a scene in a project? Well, the scene editor will appear when you decide you want to add a scene to your project. To do this, you simply right click on the project name and you select add new scene to project. All right, and we'll just call this one level, and I'll do create scene. And the main window where the IDE is displayed will now show a new scene tab, and it will look like this, what we have on the screen. So across the top are some toolbar gadgets, and here are what they do. So where it says script, you can select this, and this will show all the code that is automated by the scene editor. So as you change your scene, it will add code to the scene. And unless you really know what you're doing, I highly suggest not touching the code within the scene editor. And we'll go back to 2D. Save allows you to save any changes that you've made. This icon here, this toggles the yellow outline on and off. So if we didn't want that on, we could just turn it off. Anything inside of this yellow area will be seen when used on a device. Items outside are off of the screen. We can toggle the grid on and off. This allows us to change the size of our grid. So say we want it to be 64 by 64 instead, then we could do that. This will reset the center view of our screen. So say I'm off to the side over here, you can reset the view and that'll bring us back into the site. And this one here changes the resolution. So say we wanted to see what our game would look like on an iPhone, then we could hit yes there, and now it changes our resolution. This one here will show us what scene is being edited, so we could add new scenes from here and toggle between them if we needed to. And this one changes the background and the grid color. All right, well, that's going to be it for this one. In the next one, we'll go over how to add media into the scene.